dirimu. Waktu aku memandang wajahmu, kamu sungguh memang cantik.
Hello guys, my name is Rosalinda Fortuna Sultonga. I am 12 MIPA 1. Here I will make a craft with 3 ingredients. Want to know how? Let's make it. Well, materials and tools are: the first is glass. The second is plastic spoon. The third, glue gun and machine. Well, now we go into the step. Let's go!
The steps are: the first, prepare tools and materials. Next, take a plastic spoon and cut the handle. Cut out as many spoons as need. Then, take the glass with the glue. After that, take one plastic spoon at a time and arrange it a circle on the glass neatly. Pinch and hold the spoon as much as you want, following a circular pattern so that it forms a flower. Finally, clean and the glue that is still scattered on the spoon or on the glass. Okay guys, it's done. Thank you and goodbye.